Yo, gang, let me know how we doing on the sound. Sound good? Or not good? Let me know, because I need to know. We are using a new mic, as you see right here. Plus, every time when I need you, drop a comment, let me know how we sound on the audio. What the hell is this trainer? Traincito. You see what I'm talking about? Look, you see them bright ass lights? Nah, that's how you know a train's coming. Inside looking in the damn board. The board is always like this.